Okay, so this is a video of the broken live tool, and like the part that engages the live tool. See how it's broken off right there? I'll show you. This is the new piece that we got. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna have to install all that. This is the chunk that was laying inside the turret when we bought the machine. So this was in here like that, up in there. But that is why the live tool holders appeared to be junk when we bought the machine. The Mazak service guy said, hey, the live tooling holders are junk. Well, as you can see, the live tools stick through there, and then this thing here comes out and actually engages the tool, and that is what the problem was. Okay, so okay, so I'm standing in front of our Mazak QT200MY 640T Nexus control lathe with live tooling that we bought from Machinery Network. When we had bought the machine, they had said that the live tool holders were bad, and when I took that cover off right here, ended up being there was a shaft out of the mill head that was bad, and I showed that on a previous video. So we replaced that shaft, had a service guy come in here for a day, replace that shaft, and then we still went to use it and the machine still did not work. And what it resulted to, there is a shaft right here, and this shaft goes to the mill head, I think like this, all the way through the whole turret to the back, and all the bearings and everything actually had to be replaced. And then we also replaced the belt and the belt drive pulley. The inside of that pulley was completely worn out and ruined. It's been about 3.5 months and we still have not used the machine yet due to all these problems and taking so long to get the parts in from Japan and all this and that. So that's the problem there. Now we actually have a C-axis brake problem, to where the C-axis is, or the spindle and the C-axis is worn out, and when we go to mill our parts, it actually does not hold. So we're starting to get into a whole lot of opened up a whole can of worms on this machine here. It's a real bad buy so far. Okay, these here are the parts that have been replaced so far. That is the mill head drive shaft, and that's how it came to us. Was it was broken off on the one side, and that's what made the tool holder sound clanky. That is the tailstock ball screw that is bent. That's the tailstock ball screw holder that was also bent. That's why the tailstock was rattling like crazy when you jogged it back and forth. That is the mill head drive shaft that goes through the turret. That is the mill head drive shaft belt, and that is the mill head drive shaft pulley. That's like a $1,400 pulley. So, and it's all from Mazak.